guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video of trying Facekins. So Facekins is a reusable makeup remover wipes. So they're like cotton rounds that you can reuse, wash again, and just like reduce throwing out a bunch of normal cotton rounds. You guys know I've been trying to use natural skincare products, sustainable clothing, thrifted clothing, natural makeup, and with the skincare products I've been trying to find a reusable makeup pads like these, 7 pads of the size and shape ordered, and sample box contains 1 of each size and shape, and they're reducing landfills 1 face at a time, removing makeup, applying toner, scrubs, and other facial products, which is awesome. These are like very multi-use. I like this because it's actually super soft, seems like great quality, and also is like big enough to remove on your face and isn't really bad on the eyes either. The other one, like I said, was kind of big and uncomfortable, so these seem like great quality. Then we have a smaller face pad which could be used for the eyes, removing lip makeup, and can be used for the eyes, but it's a square shape, so a little different. And then we have a square, another cotton round to remove. So I got 4 different face wipes in this pack for $13.50, which is a great price. It's removing it extremely well. It's very soft on the skin, feels gentle. I feel like this would just be great to use like when you're traveling, and again, you just wash these and then they're clean and good to go. I'm sure you could also use water and it would remove it well. So yeah, definitely is just like removing. I love how gentle these are. I'm not tugging at my skin in any way. Great for the price. You are helping the environment. And think about how many of these you will be reducing because you wash it. You'll probably have to wash it like 2 times a week, maybe more. If you're just putting like a toner on it, I say you could reuse it. But if you're removing makeup or definitely any eye makeup like this, you want to wash it. My face, I find sometimes normal cotton rounds are aggressive on my face and abrasive and, you know, kind of rub. So I feel like these are very nice and natural. Traveling or on the go, you don't need... You can even use water and it removes it nicely, or use your toner or makeup remover. So I think these are a great product, and definitely check them out. I'm going to leave Facekins down below.